is my 2014 Summers Woodworking 2x4 competition entry. It's a marble maze that I made from a single 2x4. It's got box joint corners, rounded bottom made out of 10 pieces of wood so that the maze will pivot on a table surface so you can play it. I really enjoyed this project. It was something different for me to do. This is the first time I've done a woodworking competition. This is the first time I've done a YouTube video. I think that was actually harder than the project itself, just because it's something that's new to me. I would like to say thank you to Summers Woodworking for having this competition. I think it's been great seeing all the different projects that people have done in the different videos. And also thank you to all the sponsors for contributing the prizes for this competition. I hope Brian continues to have this competition in years to come. I enjoyed it. I hope you like watching the video. Thanks. This is the finished product, the marble maze. I think it came out pretty good. I like it. My kids are having a ball with it. The maze was actually a little simpler than this originally, and my kids said it was too easy, so they helped me make it a little more difficult. And they've done it frontwards and backwards and figured out ways to jump over the holes if you go real fast. Really like the way the bottom came out. It's like 10 separate pieces. I don't know if you can tell or not. This is actually 2 pieces here on each corner, and then the center pieces are half lap jointed together, and then the whole bottom is set into a rabbet all the way around the outside. I think it came out really nice. I wasn't sure how I was going to make the bottom of the marble maze so that it would pivot back and forth and side to side. So I'm going to give this a try. What I did essentially is I joined these two pieces with a half lap joint, and that allows it to pivot right and left, front and back. Now I'm filling in the corners so that it'll enable you to pivot it diagonally as well. And then I'll probably just sand the little edge in the middle to make it transition well. So in order to figure out the curve on these corners, I'm just putting these pieces, kind of patching them into the corners, and then just marking a line and cutting it on the bandsaw in both directions. I make the first cut and then tape it back together with the waist piece and cut the other side. Marked and ready to cut. Cut, and you get the waist pieces out of the way. All that's left is the curved piece.